Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss bleeding from uterus part 2. Fetus malposition. We can use acupuncture on the UB67 point, use moxibustion, direct or indirect, on the UB67, spleen 1, spleen 6, and the GB25 points. 15 to 20 minutes each time, once a day for 4 days. For direct moxie, perform 4 to 5 cones each time. The success rate is highest with horizontal position, followed by hip position. The feet position is difficult. The correction of the position occurs within 4 sessions. Expedite fetus delivery. We can use acupuncture on the LI4, spleen 6, and UB67 points. Have the patient drink herbal Tupengzi tea. It is reported that after acupuncture treatment, 38.1% of women started labor within 12 or 24 hours, and 32.7% started within 24 to 48 hours. For retained placenta, we can use acupuncture on the UB67 point, use acupuncture on the spleen 6, Du Yin points, plus the Ren 4 and Ren 3 points. Use acupuncture on the Ren 3, kidney 6, GB21, SJ5 points. For nocturnal fretfulness in infants, use acupuncture on the PC9 point, use acupuncture on the DO20, PC6, spleen 6, heart 7, and liver 2 points. If there is a fever, use acupuncture on the LI4, PC6, C-Feng PC9, and heart 5 points. If there are cold signs, face is pale, hands and feet are cold, use acupuncture on the DO20, LI4, PC6, spleen 6, stomach 36, and Ren 10 points. You can also use moxibustion on the DO20 and PC9 points. For acupuncture in children, the acupuncture needle does not remain in the skin after there is acupuncture sensation by the acupuncturist. On the Sifeng point, stab the points, 4 points on each hand, with a lancet, and press out blood or white colored liquid. Thank you for your attention.